Ayan na. Sige na lang siya pamitas. Hindi pa ready. Hindi marunong. Hindi ito marunong mag... There's one right there. Stop harvesting grapes.
That's enough.
Yeah. There's some more in the bottom, but yeah, we'll just leave it right there. Some of them are on the ground. Honey, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to cut it, wait, in the bottom. So I could... Oops, damn it. Man. Ay, nako, ang asawa ko gingkat. There's some more over here.
Is it ready?
No, it's not ready.
It's on the ground.
Yeah, we have to lift it. Don't. Why did you cut it?
It's on the ground.
It's not even ready.
It's on the... It's on the ground.
What did you say? Ay, nako. Just leave it there. And then the green ones over here, I think it's ready. Choose the yellow. Not all, just choose like a yellow, turns yellow. It's not even yellow, that's enough. There's one right here. Stop. Stop it. That's good enough, honey. Ay. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, mahinhin ito siya. Ayan, nahulog tuloy. Stop. Guys, yung first harvest ko, grapes at saka squash. Itong squash, dapat lalaki pa yan. Yan. Hingkat na ng asawa ko. Nabubuisit siya. Nabubuisit siya kasi parang wild na daw yung squash. Pong dami-dami na daw squash. Ayan. Sayang yung ibang bunga. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan yung asawa ko, oh. Is it good, hon? Sweet, huh? Did you taste the red one? Yes. Yeah, guys, yung squash ko, oh. I-harvest ko na ito. Honey, can you... The green one are
Pick
so
this
sweet.
squash too. Put that over there.
These are sour.
Yeah, because you harvested it. Ito na, guys, oh, yung harvest ng asawa ko. Ang dami. Ayan na.
Uh-oh. That broke. So
Oh.
everything down the line is broke.
Kaya ako walang tiwala dito. Yan, gingkat niya yung buong squash. Eh, mayroong mga bunga doon. Ayan da guys, pinunot na yung aking squash. Ayan, hindi pa dapat eh. Ayan, mas malaki. Hindi pa. Ayan guys, tinanggal na ng asawa ko yung squash. Ang dami pang mga bunga dyan. Galit siya. Ayan. Tingnan mo guys yung tinanggal niya. Mamaya pa ako maglinis ng backyard ko kasi mainit pa ngayon. Lalaki pa dapat ito. Paano, pinutol niya na. So, it's okay. She's sexy.